Hi and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. This time we're going to do the torso, which is going to include the neck and the hip area, or at least the lower part of it. So just to let you know, on the upper left corner over here, we've kind of broke down some of the stuff we saw online. Remember, use references, trying to break it down into shapes, and then use like models you see online to or anatomy models to like make that big jump later on. But always focus on the blocks, the low poly, and then focus on high details. All right, so yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna do the chest area right here and kind of like the abdomen, and the easiest way to do that I'm trying out right now is the box. Yeah, so we're gonna do frontal. We're also gonna do the male torso, not the female torso, because just I guess because it's easier, or it's I have to worry less about the hips and the chest area. Yeah, so differences you'll see on anatomy, like the chest of the guys are a lot bigger, and their lower body is a lot thinner, while females have wider hips, lower parts, and then their chest is a little smaller. So those are some of the things you'll learn to see. And we can easily, like, once we have our torso, we can easily duplicate it and make it into a female torso. It just takes a bit of adding and reducing here or there. So we can do that if we want, and I can show you just for reference. All right, sorry. Let's continue. Front. All right. That is, we're gonna break it into multiple parts, so that'll be easier for us rather than just trying to do one big thing. Okay, so validate, that's good. We're gonna do it like that. Let's duplicate this, bring it down, front again, and we're gonna make it smaller this way. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing again. Bring it down just a bit right there, and then we're gonna do somewhat of a cone right here, and we're gonna do snap 90, bring it this way, and bring it out here. Yep. Go to the front, try to bring it right around the middle. Let's make this bigger. We're gonna reduce this parts right here, so don't worry about that too much. Validate, let's go to the top view, like that. We're gonna split this. Trim, sorry. All right. Actually, go back. Alright, sweet. Let's go back to smoothing. Okay, and that is the chest. We're gonna replicate this down here, cone. And we're gonna move it up. Okay. And bring it all the way up. Front. And we're gonna cut this, trim it, sorry. This will be where your neck is, let's add a little cylinder here. The guy's neck is a little thicker than a girl's, so remember that. Okay, bring it this way. Front. It's not gonna be symmetrical, so I do apologize, but a human body isn't really that symmetrical. That's just how we work with it. Alright, see, so we got the chest, abdomen, and the pelvic area and the neck. So that's not terrible, so we can work with this. Let's keep going. Alright. And let's add them all together. Voxel is gonna be 60. Okay. And then voxel merge. Oh god, what is this? Alright. Oh, sorry. I don't know. Alright. Let's do symmetry for this, and we're just on the x-axis and we're doing local. Just make our life easier here. Increase intensity for this. Whoa. With the chest area, I mean the torso, pretty fast there. See what happens when you break things down into shapes. It makes your life so much easier. All right. All right. Okay, that's not terrible. Let's move this. Oh, symmetry off. Increase the radius here. All right, that's a little more symmetrical. All right, now let's go to the side, to the right, and we want this kind of curvature. So we're gonna do symmetry here, of course. That's not bad. See that curve? We just need to decrease the radius sometimes. Okay, decrease the radius. Oh. And let's smooth things out, decrease the radius. Alright, torso's not bad at all. Now, what can we do? Front, we got the torso correct on the side. Let's add some clay. I know we're not really doing details till later, but this is just so. Oh, this way, sorry. Add, don't subtract. Just so we know where things should go. Like that. Neck seems a little small, that's why. Okay, then chest area right here, squarish, not booby like. All right, then groin area like that, and we're gonna decrease the size, and we're doing like let's do the abdomen. This is where the belly button should be. All right. That looks so weird. All right, and then let's smooth things out. Oh, decrease the intensity. Radius is fine. All right. Not terrible. Increase some clay here. Try to make it a square. Alright, let's decrease that. Okay, better. Way better. Alright. Then this is where the butt should be. Let's add some clay here. Increase that. We're just using it for reference. All right. Yeah. Okay. A little too thick. But you know, everyone has their preference. Okay. And yeah, this is a pretty good torso. Again, I did say, what do you call it? Chest area is going to be bigger as a male, so let's go with dragging here. Decrease the radius like that. Okay. Increase chest, lower body area here, and then we're gonna copy this because, like I said, I was gonna show you male and female, and you'll be able to easily tell which one is which. All right, go to front. And let's move this over here. Okay, so we're going with, we're gonna do move. Oh, sorry, drag. All right, so chest areas much bigger. Then the hip area is going to be much bigger. Oh, sorry. Like that. Okay. Increase the radius. So lower chest, bigger hair area. That it just really depends on your preference or what you're trying to go for or what model you're doing. Smooth things out. Usually belly. And then boobs. So yeah. All right. Chest is usually like this, and I know it doesn't look very proportional or realistic. Where we can go down, so it's, we call it more gravitation, I guess. All right, that looks better. Yeah. All right, and then let's smooth things out. You know, I'm really surprised. Like, one of my biggest issues, like either modeling 3D or in general, was that if I tried, I pretty much fell. But I learned that it's okay to just not be that good and learn from your mistakes. So I hope, you know, even if this doesn't look amazing, that maybe to someone it does. And like, all I can tell you is, you know, just do it, try it. It's okay if it stinks. You can only improve if you actually try. And I know that's, as a person with anxiety, that's not always the best recommendation, but you know, it does help. It really does. Okay. Smooth out. All right. And hopefully the differences I'm showing you between the male and female torso help with everything. Okay, let's decrease this because I think I made it a little bigger, but yeah, usually female bodies are a little smaller. But again, everything is relative. All right, thank you for listening. I really hope this helps, and